Regional Change is a program at UC Davis, and what we do is we bring together scholars, students, artists with community organizations to do media arts projects. And these projects are designed really to make change. From the Understory, it's an intergenerational digital storytelling project that really brought together young people and community leaders to explore the history of their place and make stories that can build momentum towards positive community change.
So Describe ARC are multidisciplinary, innovative, and really forward-thinking.
ARC has a lot of untapped potential to knit together different parts of the university.
It's a small example, but it's the beginning of a dialogue.